Well, Arkansas is quite a versatile place to live, you'll find. It was 68 degrees 2 days ago. And this morning we get up and it's 24 degrees and we had an ice storm overnight. Everything is frozen, and I took a few pictures here. We'll run a video here for you to just let you see what's going on. It's kind of like a foggy mist that just kept freezing. And everything is coated with ice. My old truck there. But there isn't anything that isn't all froze up. Several of the churches are closed this morning, Sunday morning, and even the churches aren't opening up because the roads are so hazardous. But you can hear my old dog out there barking at something. It's kind of neat. And I'm glad it wasn't real heavy because several years ago we had a really heavy ice storm and it knocked our power out for 17 days. And I was one of the few people in the area that had power because I had a backup generator. And man, it knocked trees down and wires and fences and you name it. It was a terrible storm. It just made me sick because it damaged so many trees. Even till this day, that storm was about 8 years ago, I think. And even till this day, many of the trees are still damaged from that storm. This cedar tree here, if you look at the top, there's no top in it. It broke that top right out of it. And it did that to a lot of trees. That little one there's the same way. And during the storm, you could come outside and you could hear, it was just never ending. You could hear trees cracking in the forest and branches falling. And several of the roads were closed. And it got so bad that they told people that if you live in the country, you're on your own because we're so busy trying to get the power back on in the cities. And so we went 17 days without electricity. But we have a wood burning stove, and we were able to heat the house the whole time with that. And I had electricity because I had a generator. But I just thought I'd give you a little look at how it looks this morning. Everything's all frosted up. I wouldn't even be able to run the sawmill today because of the ice. Out there in the fields are real icy. I'm walking down here near the woods. You can see all that ice on the trees. Kind of a winter wonderland. I can still feel a slight drizzle on my face. And as soon as it hits anything, it freezes up instantly. Here's a trail that goes down through our woods behind the house. Everything's iced up. It's kind of hard to walk on the ground. It's slippery. You might be wondering what that big old box is doing up there in the tree. That's a house that I built for owls. And I put that up there several years ago with the hopes that a barn owl would move into it. I kind of like owls for some reason. And I built that and hauled it up there with a rope and braced it up against a tree. And for years, we never got anything in it. And then last year, I was pleased to find out that a family of screech owls moved in there. So I'm hoping they come back again. Or maybe they're still in there. I don't know. I don't know if they hang around forever or not. I guess I better look that up. But that's an owl house. I sometimes tell people that I keep my dog up there. My garden, we haven't even started preparing it for spring yet. Still a little early. There's our 2 goats. Doesn't seem to bother them much. Look at those fields. The trees back here in the forest. Everything's all iced up. It's pretty though. And this is why we like living out in the country. You do get things like this to enjoy every once in a while. Anyway, I just wanted to show it to you. Kind of neat. There's Survivor. We call him that because when he was a baby, his mother rejected him and we raised him. Bottle fed him and everything. And he's a good, strong buck now. That's his mate over there, Suzuki. My grandson named her Suzuki after a motorcycle. So, anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, please like it and subscribe, and we'll make some more for you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.